Hey, what's up, guys? Pete from Magic Moments here, reporting live from the Venetian. Tonight we are partying with our bride and our groom, Alan and Daniela. The date is March 19th, 2016, and inside the Palazzo Ballroom at the Venetian, our bride and groom are partying with 300 guests. Our bride and groom have a wonderful DJ package with that magic touch. We also have the intelligent lighting, your theatrical lighting package with LEDs here at the Venetian, and also the use of the drop-down screens and projectors. We're showing people dancing on the dance floor, a photo montage, candid pictures. We even put their hashtag up on the screen. A great little touch for your special day. Got to shout out Matt and John back there running the lights and all the tech stuff here at the Venetian. Just check it out, guys. Welcome to Magic Moments, and we hope to see you on the dance floor.
It is the moment we've all been waiting for. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, calling your attention to the top of the staircase, as it gives me great honor and pleasure to introduce to you, for the very first time in public, as husband and wife, the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Cobra. Yes! Everybody put your hands in the air, come on! I'd like to ask our groom, Alan, to please escort his beautiful wife to the center of the dance floor, as they will be sharing a very special dance to a beautiful song entitled Cinema.
I could watch you for a lifetime. You're my favorite movie, 1,000 endings. You mean everything to me.
One more time, let's clap our hands and make some noise for the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Kobluk. Oh, what do you say we pick up the pace just a little bit out there with some 1950s and 60s sounds? Come on, everybody, join us out here on that dance floor, as it is time to pick it up. Come on. Pick it up, everybody, sing those words, come on. It doesn't matter if you're Italian or not. I need everybody on the dance floor making one big circle. Everybody, bring your circles out to the center of the dance floor, and we're going to make one big circle. All the circles to the dance floor. Come on. We're circling. And join us out here on the dance floor. Party people, it's time to turn this place up. Let me see you put your hands up. Put them up. Let me see those hands. Put them up, put them up, put them up. Everybody put your hands in the air. Everybody put your hands in the air. Everybody put your hands in the air. Put them up, put them up, put them up, come on. 1, 2, 3. Hands up! Put your hands up! All I do is
It's about loving what you do. I love what I do, and I really hope it showed in the video that you just watched. You know, when you end up finally making that decision on who you're going to use for your entertainment, you just got to keep in mind it's not the person that's just playing music and talking on the microphone and making people dance. You're picking someone that's going to be representing you, your fiance, your family, your friends, your entire crowd, and your wedding day. Keep that in mind. I really hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, my name is Pete. Magic Moments, it's what we do. Hashtag Magic Moments Productions on Facebook, Instagram. Find us, come talk to us. We hope you enjoyed everything. Peace. We'll see you next time.